The sad state of things. It's July 8th, 2022, 4 days after Independence Day, and I've still got too many fireworks. You know, I never thought I'd say those words. That's alright, at least I got something until NYE. I really got something until NYE, because this big bad boy didn't go up either, man. That's sad. I missed it, because we had an accident. Inexperienced guy on the field. We honestly shouldn't have had him out there, but under the circumstances, he was doing pretty well. No discrepancies, though. Had a blow. Could have been anybody. Piece of 2x4 or 2x6 or maybe even 2x8 hit me. It was a heavy chunk of wood. I felt it. Busted my orbital. I'll be all right, though. Surgery Monday. I'll be recovering for a while, but I'll be cool. I don't know, maybe I'll see about this weekend getting a 12 shot up, because I want to burn something bad, bro. I feel like I was robbed. Highway robbery. I was going for the 3 and that motherfucker pushed in on me, dude. I had 24 and another 12 set up. I'm joking, of course, but I had another 36 shells getting ready to go up, but I felt that thing hit me and I'm like, oh, that's a new feeling. Never felt that before. Time to go. I knew I was broken or something. What is that? I've never felt that, but I did. Hang on. All right, we'll clip it. One hand work, man. The homeboy donated a couple of these for deconstruction. By the launch, I'll tell you what. Stories should be true. Pdubz. I'm over here like, I'll never see stuff like this in my life. Don't be wasting people's time with that bullshit. Chronic. A couple more souvenirs. The ganja should have those by NYE, man. And then the Kush tube. Thank you. He gave me these as souvenirs, man, when I came to pick up the rest of my stuff the other day. That's alright. I'll get back out before next year, too. And then next year will be a blast. My budget will be better. And so will my works, because I know what I'll be looking for. I'm going to try and build my own better show. It won't be too much, obviously, out of a couple grand, but we'll paint it out all together. And we'll get back in it. We'll get back in it, man.